often you hear me talk about artistry and the science behind the brand. But today I'm going to do something a little bit different and talk about the long-lasting, amazing relationship between artistry and Nutrilite. And in order to do that, I have David Groh here with me today, who is actually the manager of Artistry and Nutrilite New Technology.
Thank you, Michelle. It's an honor to be here today to talk about this truly amazing partnership between these two key brands.
Well, and this really is pretty amazing because my understanding is this relationship goes back to the 1950s.
Yeah, in fact, it actually goes back to 1958, where Edith Renborg observed her husband Carl's research into the Nutrilite brand, and out of that, she developed Edith Renborg Cosmetics.
Wow.
Edith saw the potential of using natural ingredients to help provide healthier, younger-looking skin. And actually, it's this skincare line, this natural-based skincare line that she developed, that's the basis of the artistry products we have today.
That's amazing. And today, our artistry scientists and our Nutrilite scientists work very closely together in our bioassay laboratories, studying hundreds of botanical extracts and potentially new ingredients.
Yeah, in fact, we've been able to leverage the 75 years of Nutrilite's botanical research, its scientists, its naturally organic certified farms, to help develop functional botanical ingredients for use in our artistry products.
And those products actually are the most effective or contain the most effective levels of botanical extracts that are healthy and beneficial for the skin. And this is really where Artistry Essentials came from.
Yeah, our scientists work together with the botanists at Nutrilite to help develop purposefully functional botanical ingredients to provide the skincare benefits necessary to help have beautiful skin.
And what about the Nutrilite products?
Yeah, in addition to leveraging Nutrilite in our topical products, we've also been able to leverage them in our orally ingestible supplements. And this gets at the synergy of inner health and outer beauty.
So it's not just the reflection that you see in the mirror, but a reflection of true vitality.
And it's a reflection of two amazing brands that have come together to develop the best botanical products possible.
That deliver unique results for every skin type. Now you have a better understanding of the amazing relationship between artistry and Nutrilite. I'm Michelle D'Allard, and this is David Groh. Thanks for joining me on another episode on the Art of Beautiful Skin.